what I see is actually, as I've already pointed out, so since our Silicon conference in April, a lot of big companies have really announced expansions for their silicon production, and these among them were two credible players with a lot of experience. One is Wacker, the other one is MEMC. MEMC wanted to go to 15,000 tons by 2010. And of course you have new players, such as LDK. We'll see if they'll make it. But
all the same, I mean, if you take the numbers, and I took them down, you're speaking of 20 in 2011. We heard another number, which was Winfried's number, which was 2010, 6.
But now, I think he was talking about installed capacity. He was
yes.
I was talking about first production, but I think that can be also installed. I see that. Yes.
But there is still sort of a big divergence. So you can see that, well, you're not very safe on markets. Now what, and that is to me the important thing, what is the main parameter which tells you, okay, it's going to be a scenario going up or going down? Is it laws on feed-in tariffs? Is it what?
Well, I think we're of course approaching quickly grid parity. This is the fact, but I think we still need incentives, and the most important thing I think is to have a well-designed feed-in law. As we've seen that in Germany, I think a well-designed feed-in law can help grow a market without interruptions. What's happening now, so Germany is still the only market without a real cap. And so the politics or the environment ministry recently just made a proposal to increase this rate, and I think the digression rate, and I think this is feasible. So that means if investors, that means private investors, operators of systems, get a reasonable rate of return, they will invest in solar. No doubt about that.
We have a question or a comment here, and then we'll go on with the podium.